We are, okay, let's just get started. So, gone over the notation there. So the first thing I want to do is take the first derivative. That is, I want to find y prime, or in this case, I'm going to actually, instead of writing y prime, I'm going to write dy over dx. And that means that we have to take the derivative, we're going to use the quotient rule. So we take the derivative of the numerator, and the derivative of x is 1, times the denominator, minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, and that's just 1. And of course that is all over x plus 1 squared, right? So we square the denominator. That's the good old quotient rule. Now what I'm going to do is clean this up a little bit, make life a little easier on us. So we have dy over dx is equal to, so this is x plus 1 minus x times, okay, let's see, can we do this in our head? This becomes x minus x, and x minus x is, you know what, let me just write it over here. This is x plus 1 minus x. Maybe you'll see it a little better if I just rewrite it. So as you can see, these x's here are going to cancel out. Okay, so the x's cancel out and we're left with 1 over x plus 2 quantity squared. Since I just have a 1 in the numerator, I would normally just do the quotient rule here, but let me show you something maybe I hadn't shown in some of my other previous videos, that I can go ahead and take this into the numerator, but make sure I write a -2 for the exponent. The exponent's positive, we take it into the numerator, and it becomes negative. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take the derivative again, the derivative of the derivative. So that's dy, this is going to be d2 dx. Alright, so we don't write a 1 here, right? And that's, okay, so there's nothing here, but pretend there's a 1 there. Alright, so I'm going to use the, well, it's like the chain rule, but the general power rule here. Take the -2, bring it out front. Subtracting 1 from the exponents, that becomes a -3. And of course you take the derivative and bring it out, but the derivative of x plus 2 is just 1. So we just leave it like it is. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and write this with positive exponents. So the second derivative. And now there is good reasons why we have to find the second derivative, because in the section on concavity, it's pretty much necessary to find the second derivative. Alright, so there it is with positive exponents. Okay, that was fun. I think we should work another one. In fact, I can work lots of them. What else is on the list here? I think I've got a bunch of examples lined up. Oh, this is not going to be a nice one here. This is going to be a challenge. Take several minutes on this problem. We got y is equal to 3x squared over x minus 1 quantity cubed. Okay, and this is what we're asking. So maybe you could pause the video and see if you can work this one out on your own. It's going to take a few minutes to work out, I promise. Alright, well, let's just get started. So dy